So I have to hold on. I have to hold on to these guys.
You can hold on to there,
That's
or
how you survive.
bud. Hold beside you. You guys up front, you don't really have anywhere to put your feet. You can kind of pin them in there how you got it. You can pin your heel in the tube behind you. All right, paddling will keep you guys in the raft.
Yeah.
All right, you guys up front, paddling is going to keep you in the boat. If you're leaning forward, reaching up in front of the raft and pulling back, you're going to hit the water instead of the water hitting you. Okay? My paddle commands are real simple. All forward, all back, and take a break. Whenever I say take a break, just let that paddle rest on your lap. All right, you guys up front, you're our leaders. So if we flip, it's your fault.
Okay.
Yeah, Herbie.
You guys kind of want to glance at each other every so often.
Just remember, I'm letting you go.
Together, all right? Paddle at the same rate. You guys behind them, just follow the person paddling in front of you, all right? That way your paddle blades won't be clacking together. You'll be able to be effective. Okay? Just go short, nice, easy strokes. It's going to be easier, guys, to lean forward with your whole upper body and pull back. You want to use your core instead of your arms and shoulders. All right, so let's go. All forward. You guys up right there. Together. Yeah. A little bit up on the right side, bud. There you go. Nice, easy strokes. Just to get into a rhythm.
It was kind of aggressive.
Now, I'm in the back. I'm the steering wheel, right? You're going to feel the raft turning right. You're going to feel it turning left. It's not because one side's working harder than the other.
It's the second raft for a pivot.
I'm in the pivot point. No, these things pop all the time.
Okay.
There's a lot of rocks on this river. Even though it's high water and most of them are covered, they're still out there. You guys can take a break.
So is this high water?
Yeah, we're running about 3,600 CFS right now. Usually this time of year, we're running between 15 and 2,200.
Wow.
So to be this high is very nice.
Cool.
Yeah, usually these rocks to the right of us, we can just see a little bit of them exposed right there. It's usually down about another 2 feet. All forward, all together.
I don't know why I was thinking it wasn't going to be as serious as it is.
Keep going, all together. Woo!
You GoPro on? Yep, it's
Keep
on.
going, guys. Keep going, all forward.
We don't.
Woo! Woo! Keep going, all forward.
Yeah!
Keep paddling, go. Hey!
Stay in the boat. Oh, here we go.
Alright, take a break, guys. Let's get a paddle high five. Ready?
Oh, yeah. Welcome to Michigan. At this point,
All right, all forward.
this is hard to reach the point of no turning back.
Keep going, fellas. All forward.
There's your
Hard.
There's your photographer.
Dig it in. Forward, dig it in.
Oh, here we go.
Keep going, guys. Keep going. Nice paddling. Keep going, fellas. Woo! That was hard. That was hard. Take a break. Oh my God. You guys feel that boil right there?
Yeah.
A lot of current. all forward again, team. Seatbelts, great job. Paddlers, great job. Did anybody try? No. Okay, good. Take a break, fellas. Take a break. Woo. All right, all forward.
I don't think we would have made that without the seatbelts. Now time for number 2.
We're gonna go a similar line, minor variations. I'll talk about it when we get up there and look at it. Yes, sir. First sister, guys, we hit it more on this left side. We hit that big diagonal wave there, and then it pushed us into the middle of that hole, surfed us to the right, and then flushed us out. Nice that it didn't hold on to us and flip us. Kind of felt like it was gonna though. So this next run, we can do this one backwards if you guys want. I don't care.
Oh yeah, that's where we hit.
That doesn't look that bad from up here.
Yeah. All right, all forward.
Seatbelts fastened. Here we go.
Dig it in, guys. Dig it in. Take a break. Take a break. All right, all forward. Dig it in. Paddle hard, guys. Paddle hard.
You got it.
Keep going. Paddle hard.
Oh yeah!
Not much of a break.
Take a break. Hold back. Hold back. Hold back.
Just remember, I'm gonna let you go.
Together. Keep going, all back.
Whew.
Have them. Here, we got your paddle. Grab this. Thank you. I got you up. Get this off you. All right, guys. Paddles ready.
You were recording, right?
Yeah. All back, all back, all back. Grab a paddle.
Sorry, Chris Floyd, I failed you.
Grab a paddle. All back, all back. It's all right, you know, it's good recovery. Keep going. All back, all back.
Oh.
Take a break. All right, all forward, all forward.
My jacket's filled with.
Buddy, okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Keep going, guys. Forward. We're not done. Forward.
Oh, you want your paddle?
Keep going. Take a break.
The going through backwards threw me off a bit.
Yeah.
There's nothing else we could do. We were angled too far left.
That was
forward, guys.
that wasn't planned.
It was after it was a must. So this next run, we can do this one backwards if you guys want. Okay. Take a break.
I kind of knew right away when we hit that backwards, I was right, like face planted right into it.
Yeah, the contact fell out of the eye. Just as we went over Volkswagen, I caught it in my mouth. I was like, okay, no depth perception, it'll be fine.
Chris,
Luckily, I'm not that much. How you doing?
Good.
Good? You're gonna have some cool footage.
Yeah.
Buddy. You did that on purpose. Found in there where it's taking us 3 hours to come down it.
Yeah.
So you can make it playful if you want. Let's go forward, guys.
Not letting you out this time.
Take a break.
Oh yeah.
Look to our right. You can see Terminal Surfer. That really big boy. So right there, guys, where you can see where that big pillow is, all that white water. There's a river, almost river-wide section of rock there. It just sticks out a little bit more right there. So the water drops over that rock. When it drops, it creates a void in the river. So all this water that's downstream tries to go upstream and fill that void. And that's what causes that recirculating current, or terminal circle. Not too bad in a kayak. In a raft, it swims just so fast, and then it doesn't let go of the raft, and it'll hold your body for a little bit. It's not that much fun.
Yeah, sounds inconvenient.
You guys can go ahead, take those helmets off.